Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to fix the Golf. In the last video I showed you guys we were at the PSI and dynoing the cars, both the Golf and the Evo, and now I realized my wheel bearings are fucking broke, so yeah, we're going to have to change those. I haven't heard that the wheel bearing is broken until now, because it's actually sounding louder than the car itself, or the engine rather, because it's pretty loud inside the car. But now it resonates so much, the whole car vibrates, and I couldn't figure out what it was, and then I felt on the wheels, and yeah, it's pretty broken. So I'm going to show you guys. I got the car on the lift, so we're going to lift it up. Andre is also here fixing his Volvo, tidying that up, so hopefully we can start that soon. But yeah, I'll take the wheels off and I'll show you guys how bad it actually is, because it sounds real bad. Okay, so alright, so I'm going to try to show you. Now it's going to be a bit difficult because it's pretty damn windy in here, but let's see here. I don't know if you could hear that, but oh yeah, you can definitely hear that. Yeah, so that's pretty broken. Now I filmed straight to the floor, but anyways, it's broke, so we're going to take the wheel off and yeah, off with the brakes and hopefully off with the nut and everything. Precis. Det hade varit mäktigt. Alltså, ooh. I can feel when it just takes a stop here. There is a stop and then it jumps over. Jesus Christ. Alright, so the next step is to remove the brake caliper, as well as the caliper bracket, and then we can remove the disc. So now we got 30mm bolt to remove the caliper, and you need a 15mm wrench to hold against with. So just loosen that, and almost the bottom. There we go, bottom as well. There we go. Oh, I need to remove the brake wire. There we go, just remove that. Remove the clip. The whole handbrake wire can get loose, and we can lift up the brake caliper. Still need to get rid of the brake caliper adapter, so we need to loosen some, I think it's Allen keys. Now we got the size 8 Allen key to loosen the bracket. One at the top and one at the bottom. There we go. Alright, so in my case it's a size 30 Torx. Though it differs a lot. There we go. Alright, so just a small tap with a hammer and a screwdriver. We're all set. Now we're just going to try to get this loose, hopefully. Alright, so I had to go get some stuff, and turns out you need a 12.30mm. Vad fan heter det? Hylsa? Socket. 30mm 12-point socket. Fits beautifully. So let's see if we can get this loose. Jag må trilla av. What? That was surprisingly easy. What the hell? So if this loosens very easily, I'm certain that the hub is going to be very stuck. Alright, so I finally got the old hub off. Let's see here. Alright, so I did have to use some violence. The old bearing brace, or whatever you call it, it was very stuck, the inside one, so I had to use the good old Caliper to cut it up, and then you could just slide it off very easily. Now we got the new one. We're just going to put that on, and I'll have to search up what the torque spec is for this. Let's put it on. Oh, I'm so dirty. Okay, so the hub won't slide up on super easy, so I'm just going to use the 30mm to tap it into place. Very slightly, hopefully. And it's important that you tap on the inside of the bearing so that you don't damage it on the outside. There we go. Now we'll just have to torque it to spec. Alright, so now it's time to tighten the bolt, or the nut rather. And it seems like there's two different torques if you have a 6-point or a 12-point. But for the 12-point nut, you want to tighten it 200 Newton meters, loosen it half a turn, and then turn the wheel. Then you want to tighten it 50 Newton meters and then another 60 degrees. Ja, det var inte farligt ändå. Yep. Alright, so now that we torqued this to spec, we're going to just put on the cap, and we do everything in reverse again. Ja, och så igenom med den.
Jag kunde ge mig fan på det.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Now I hope you guys know how to change the rear wheel bearing on a Golf. It was not really that bad. Only thing is, if it's really bad, the bearing, the inner section might get stuck on the axle and you have to cut it up or bang it up pretty hard. But other than that, it was not too bad. So now we got two new bearings on the Golf. I'm ready to ride again. It was actually so bad that I couldn't even hear the whining noise because the car is so loud. So the only reason I knew the bearings were bad, it's because the whole car started to resonate and vibrate. So when I got up to like 80 kilometers an hour, everything just started vibrating. The whole car, like vibrating and resonating. And it turns out it was the wheel bearing, and it was super bad. So, alright. So, yeah, that will be it for this video. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.